Go on, tell him to wind it up. Do you know what to tell him? Peppy, don't you think that's enough whining? Kids, I need your help. We need to tell Peppy to stop whining. Ready, go! Stop whining! Done, kids! Peppy, where are you going now? Well, I know it looks like he's broken, but I have an idea. Maybe all you need to do is open it up, see what's on the inside, and maybe you can fix it. What do you say, ladies and gentlemen? Do you want to see him fix it? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here now to tell you about my favorite part of the circus. That's right,